Nigeria is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned. Well, everywhere is war. It's a war. And until there's no longer
shot like 6 times. It's my first night out in the wild.
Them a rebel, you know, but them just sing about Rasta. Them rock the English monarchy, you know? Yeah, man.
You looking at Mike?
Oh, he's a great boy. Huh? Oh, Dad! Dad, come now. I'm his manager, yeah. I'm his number.